Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We need a bag, a screwdriver, and the new printhead. First, we center the printhead carriage. We stop the machine using the front button. With the help of a screwdriver, we remove the ink separator. We remove the dampers one by one, store them in a bag, and set them aside. Next, we remove the 4 screws from the printhead. We remove the printhead. We disconnect the data cables from the printhead. Next, we connect the new printhead with the data cables. When connecting the cables, we need to ensure they are straight. We place the printhead in its position and screw it in. When screwing in the printhead, we ensure it is flat. We insert all the screws without fully tightening them, adjusting them slightly. Once all screws are in place, we level the printhead and give the final turns to tighten them evenly. We repeat the entire process with the other printhead. Once both printheads are installed, we reinstall the dampers, making sure to place them in the correct position for each color. We place and screw in the ink separator and then insert the white ink dampers. Once everything is in place, the printer will be ready to print again.